Okay students, now let's see what is continued proportion. Okay, continued proportion means if there are three terms, then A upon B will be equal to B upon C. This is what is continued proportion. A upon B is equal to B upon C. Okay, means there are three terms, and when there are three terms such that A upon B is equal to B upon C, that means they are in continued proportion. Means it continues. A upon B is equal to B upon C, B upon C is equal to C upon D, C upon D is equal to D upon E. Continue proportion. Okay, so using this, if we see the formula, you get cross multiply, you get A into C is equal to B into B, or you interchange it this side, B into B is equal to A into C, or B square is equal to AC. So this is the formula for continued proportion. Now if I ask you to check whether the terms are in continued proportion. Check whether the given terms are in continued proportion. For example, if I say 1, 2 and 4, these are your three terms, and if I say check whether the given terms are in continued proportion, so by using this formula we'll see whether they are in continued proportion. So if you say A, B, C, these are your three terms. We know B square is equal to AC. What is your B value? 2 square. What is your A value? 1 into 4. 2 square is 4, 1 into 4 is also 4. That's why when 4 is equal to 4, that means they are in continued proportion. Okay. Now if I give you one more problem, say 1, 3, 6. Check whether these are in continued proportion. So this is your A, B, C. So here when it is in continued proportion, you just write yes, continued proportion. And for this, let's see whether it is in continued proportion. Your formula is B square is equal to AC. B value is 3, 3 square. A's value is 1, 1 into C's value is 6. 3 square is 9 and 1 into 6 is 6. So 9 is not equal to 6. 9 is not equal to 6. That's why it is not in continued proportion. Okay, not in continued proportion. Got what is continued proportion? Means continued proportion will be, means what is continued proportion? A, B, C. A upon B is equal to B upon C. Then formula you get B square is equal to AC.